Some people are asking me to make a comment about the a hearing that happened last April 14 sa House of Representatives. Well, okay, so let me share my 2 cents about it. Okay. So, here is what most people are missing dun sa hearing na yun, no? This is not about whether you believe Ramil Madriaga or not. The real question is, may mapapatunayan ba? Or puro kwento lang ba siya? So, let's be clear. Yung nangyari sa House hearing, no, this is not the trial yet. Kasi parang trial na sa dating ng iba eh. Hindi pa hinahatulan kung guilty or not guilty si VP Sara Duterte. The role of the House right now is very simple. To determine if there is enough evidence to move forward. So ang ibig sabihin, naghahanap pa sila ng mga additional evidence, nangangalap pa sila ng iba pang ebidensya, at hindi pa sila naghahatol. Ayan na naman, mabalik tayo sa fishing expedition ha. It's actually different. So now let's talk about Ramil Madriaga. People keep saying na may kaso naman yan, hindi credible yan, polluted witness yan, so hindi yan dapat na paniwalaan. Well, that may be true, but here's the part that most people really do not understand. Madriaga is not the evidence. He is the pathway to the evidence. He is the bridge to the evidence. Tandaan po natin yan. So, malaki yung pagkakaiba niyan. Okay? Because, even if the witness is questionable, kung ang tinuturo naman niya merong bank records, may trail, may transactions, merong documents, well, that can be verified, di ba? That can be tested. Okay, so doon yun nagkakatalo. And here's the most critical moment of that hearing. Nung nakita ko siya, he waived his bank secrecy. So, let that sink in bago kung ano-ano yung inuuna ninyo na tingnan. Okay? So, hindi na ito yung he said, she said, it's not Ramil said, Sara said. This becomes traceable. Pag binuksan mo kasi yung bank records mo, you are basically saying na, well, you can check everything. If I'm lying, you will definitely catch me. And that is the turning point. So ngayon, either he collapses or something comes out. Walang middle ground yan. Walang in-between. Okay? So now let's address the bigger picture. Sa Duterte camp naman, bakit hindi umattend si VP Sara Duterte ng hearing? Well, legally, yes, she has the right not to attend. But politically, there's always a cost. Because when you are not in the room,